Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor plays a crucial role in your car's performance. Its primary job is to monitor the rotations and position of the camshaft. The CM engine control module uses this information to precisely time the spark and fuel delivery, ensuring maximum engine efficiency. How the internal combustion engine works. The camshaft opens the intake valve, allowing a mixture of air and fuel controlled by the ECM into the combustion chamber. Once the valves close, the piston compresses this air-fuel mixture. At the top of the compression stroke, the ECM commands a spark, causing combustion. This pushes the piston down, generating power. Finally, the camshaft opens the exhaust valves, allowing the gases to exit through the exhaust manifold. So the first symptom you might be experiencing of a bad camshaft position sensor is check engine light. One of the first signs of a bad camshaft position sensor is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. If the ECM detects an issue with the sensor, it will trigger this light. Some common diagnostic codes related to the camshaft position sensor include. Here are some codes related to the camshaft position sensor. Most auto parts stores, like O'Reilly's or AutoZone, will scan your vehicle for free. If you prefer to save time, I've linked the scanner I use and trust in the description below. The second symptom you might be experiencing with your car is delayed or no start. If you notice your car taking longer than usual to start or not starting at all, it could be due to a faulty camshaft position sensor. Without accurate camshaft data, the ECM can't correctly time the spark and fuel delivery, delaying or completely preventing the engine from starting. The third symptom you might be experiencing with your car is poor gas. A bad camshaft position sensor can also cause poor fuel efficiency. The ECM relies on precise camshaft timing to command the right amount of fuel during the intake stroke. If the sensor provides incorrect data, the ECM may inject fuel at the wrong time, leading to wasted fuel and reduced mileage. The fourth symptom you might be experiencing with your car is lack of acceleration. Finally, a failing camshaft position sensor can lead to a lack of acceleration. The ECM incorrect timing data results in improper spark and fuel commands, causing misfires and poor combustion efficiency. This will make your car feel sluggish and unresponsive when you press the gas pedal. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's worth checking your camshaft position sensor. Early detection and repair can save you from costly issues down the road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.